In today's video, I'll show you how to add a custom domain in Vercel step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, log in to your Vercel account and open your dashboard. This is where all of your projects are listed. From here, select the project where you want to connect your custom domain. Make sure you choose the correct project because the domain will be linked directly to it. Once the project is open, go to the project settings and look for the Domains section. Here, you'll see an option to Add Domain. Click on it to continue. Now type in the domain name you want to use. This could be your main domain, a subdomain like www, or even a wildcard domain if you plan to use multiple subdomains. After entering the domain name, click Add. Vercel will now guide you through the next step, which is updating your domain's DNS settings. This usually means adding or updating A records or CNAME records at your domain registrar. Follow the instructions provided by Vercel carefully as they tell you exactly what values to use. Once your DNS settings are updated, give it a little time to take effect. After that, open a browser and visit your domain to make sure everything is working correctly. If your site loads, your domain is successfully connected. And that's how you add a custom domain in Vercel. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful web development tutorials.